Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay. Hindi tayo sa Upper Antipolo. Okay. So we have this single attached property. So ito yung garage area going dun sa ating service area. Mamaya ako napapakita yun nandun, no? Dito muna tayo. So ito yung porch. May space for garden. Yan. May andun, may faucet po doon. Okay? Punas muna akong paa. Madumihan. So ito yung main entrance. Andito tayo sa ating living area. Naka-drop ceiling yung ating living area. Okay? Yan. Then, we have this common toilet and bath. Laki ng space ng toilet and bath, ha? Totoo lang. Then, ito yung ating kitchen. And, dining area. Ayan. So, kung mapansin nyo, merong sliding door. Ayan. Going doon sa ating lanay area. Tapos, naka-cove ceiling po yung dining area natin. Okay? Tapos, ito yung ating dirty kitchen and service area. Okay, by the way, yung lot area nito is 125 square meter. Okay? 125 square meter. So, yung magtatanong ng price, current price is 11.6 million. Okay? 11.6 million. Pakita ko lang ulit para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Teka lang, ha? Baka may magtanong pala. Baka kasi may maghanap for beach quarter. Okay, so kung gusto nyo lagay ng kwarto para sa ating kasambahay. So ito po, itong area na to. Dito katabi ng dirty kitchen. Ito po, naka-provision po talaga ito for mid quarter. Yan, okay? Provision niya for mid quarter, ha? Lakas ng hangin. Okay. Then dito sa ilalim ng hagdan, meron kayong pwedeng storage area. Right? Akit tayo na second floor. So this second floor, 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So ito yung ating first bedroom. Actually, malalaki yung kwarto nito eh. Yan. Ito yung common toilet and bath para sa dalawang bedrooms. Okay, so ito yung space. Pasukin natin yung master's bedroom. Unahin natin yung walk-in closet tsaka yung private bathroom. So ito yung walk-in closet niya. Yan. So lalagyan nyo na ng cabinet. Naka-provision na po. Then ito yung private bathroom for master's bedroom. Okay? Ang elegante ng dating, ha. Yan, no? Tapos, maganda yung space. Yan. Ito yung space po for master's bedroom. Okay? Tapos, naka-cove ceiling. Then, meron kayong balcony dito. Yan. Pakita ko lang to. Mahangin. Ayan, o. Kita nyo naman. So, ito yung community. Tapos doon, check. Ayun, basta doon merong may maliit na kita for mountain view. Okay? Ayan. So yun lang. If interested, message lang. My number is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.